On behalf of the United States Coast Guard and the entire Unified Command, I offer my deepest condolences to the families. An ROV, or remote operated vehicle, from the vessel Horizon Arctic discovered the tail cone of the Titan submersible approximately 1,600 feet from the bow of the Titanic on the seafloor. The ROV subsequently found additional debris. In consultation with experts from within the Unified Command, the debris is consistent with the catastrophic loss of the pressure chamber. Complex case, and we're still working to develop the details for the timeline involved with this casualty. There doesn't appear to be any connection between the noises and the location on the seafloor. Again, this was a catastrophic implosion of the vessel, which would have generated a significant broadband sound down there that the sonar buoys would have picked up.
हमारा पाकिस्तान.pk हर पाकिस्तानी की खबर।